Hello, I'm Cody Stringer and I'll be discussing monetary policy. What is monetary policy? Monetary policy is the actions put into place by the federal bank, currency board, or other regulatory committee. Its purpose is to keep the economy relatively stable as shifts happen. For example, if inflation is becoming out of control, the monetary policy would be to decrease the amount of money in circulation in order to allow the purchasing power to catch back up. Economies are imperfect and go through roller coaster cycles of cause and effect. The monetary policy is there to help steer these trends in a more controlled pattern. Current monetary policy. As of now, the monetary policy is supporting an economic expansion. The Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, raised the target for the federal funds rate to 0.75%, up from 0.5%. The decision was justified with the knowledge of expected inflation and labor market conditions. The committee expects that the economic conditions will evolve in a manner that will increase federal funds. However, the actual path of the federal funds rate will depend on the economic outlook based on the feedback provided by the data. In order to increase federal funds, open market operations are being put in place. What are open market operations? Open market operations refers to the buying and selling of government securities in the open market. The current monetary policy is expansionary, therefore the amount of reserve funds that banks have available to lend will go up. The more money available results in a boost in the amount of spending. However, this also results in inflation, so FOMC has to be careful on how much inflation is created. If the inflation were to get too high, then a contractionary policy would be put in place to decrease the amount of money in circulation, thus raising the spending power of the dollar. Conclusion: from what I perceive, there is a constant battle of juggling employment rates, inflation, interest rates, etc. Even though there are calculative actions taken in order to control the market, they don't always play out as planned, or are just temporary means taken to deal with what is currently given. I am by no means anywhere knowledgeable enough on world markets to hold an opinion on the subjectiveness of these decisions, and it definitely seems like a struggle that not all experts can come to absolute agreement on.